what part you don't.
An argument that turns into a slap. A punch is thrown. The situation escalates into full-fledged aggravated assault. The act is a felony, but because most victims of domestic abuse know their abuser, many get away with it.
And I think I probably took about 5 to 7 punches, like straight to my face.
Renata Huggins says she was abused for years by her former boyfriend.
You didn't listen even while he was punching you in the face multiple times.
We're still in love and still kind of lost and stuck.
I've been doing this for 30 years. It has gotten worse.
The topic outrages victims advocate Wendy Murphy, who says oftentimes the justice system victimizes women all over again.
Of the ones that are filed, a majority, if not more, are never successfully prosecuted. And in that tiny, tiny number of cases where there's both punishment and the punishment is severe, it's usually because the woman is dead.
Data we obtained from the Massachusetts District Attorney's Office shows reports of assault and battery charges within a household between August 8th of 2014 through May 31st, 2015 led to nearly 11,000 charges, but less than 1,900 convictions. That means more than 80% of the charges were either pending, reduced, dropped, or dismissed.
The safety of the victim should be paramount.
Former state and federal prosecutor Bill Connolly says prosecuting these cases is a delicate balance.
Is it a first-time offense, a second-time offense? Is there a 5-year history of abuse? Do they have a history of convictions for abuse? How serious are the injuries?
He says sometimes the victim decides not to testify, exercising their marital or Fifth Amendment right, and then the case gets dismissed.
A prosecutor can't put a witness on the witness stand that they know is going to lie.
What will it take to get changes here?
It's called adopting the no-drop rule.
The policy would require prosecutors to move forward with the case even if the victim no longer wants to pursue charges.
Is it worth forcing a victim to testify if the abuser isn't going to receive a serious sentence?
In California, they went from allowing victims to choose to drop the charges to not allowing, and during that 10-year period, the amount of women's lives saved was stunning.
Policy or not, Wendy urges victims to stay involved in their case.
You should report, you should testify, you should stay involved because it's your right to live safely in your own home.
Renata did file a restraining order against her abuser, but wishes she had also filed charges.
What would you do differently?
Followed up and made sure that I did everything I had to do to make sure he was prosecuted.